Hello guys, at this time I will explain the process from egg to birth. First, fertilization. This process occurs when male and female bird mate. During mating, the female bird will release sperm which will fertilize the egg that the female has fertilized in her body. Strong and spawning. After fertilization, the fertilized eggs are laid in the nest both by the female bird. The female bird will sit on the egg to incubate them. During this time, she will maintain the right temperature and humidity for egg development. Incubator egg will be left in the nest to incubate. A constant and stable temperature is essential during incubator. The female bird will rotate the egg periodically to ensure that an even temperature remains the egg and then feature which the egg development property. This process usually takes several weeks depending on the bird species. Shell breaking. After the incubator period, the egg will begin to hatch the feature and the egg will break the egg shell using its small and soft beak. This process is also called shell breaking or hatching. Coming out of the nest. After hatching, the young bird chicken dove will come out of the egg shell. At this stage, they may still be very weak and vulnerable. The female and male bird will continue to care for the feed the younger until they are strong enough to fly and find food on their own. Crack and ground. After hatching, young bird will continue to be cared for by female and male bird. They will be fed and taught to find their own food. They will grow and develop until they reach independence.